Welcome to the Exam Coach 11 Plus Exam Daily Vocab Show, where we build your 11 Plus exam vocabulary one word at a time. Before we get into today's word, here's a reminder that we deliver live workshops throughout the year for students preparing for their 11 Plus exam. These workshops cover comprehension, verbal reasoning, writing, and maths. In the last academic year, we helped over 5,000 students. Give it a try and improve week after week. Just visit the Exam Coach website for more information. That's www.theexamcoach.tv. Today's word is treacherous. It's pronounced Treacherous, and it is spelt Treacherous. Think T and then reacher and then us. Treacherous has two meanings. The first is guilty of or involving betrayal or deception. The second is something presenting hidden or unpredictable dangers. For example, you could say he had a treacherous plan, or the icy roads were treacherous. Treacherous comes from the Old French treacheros, meaning deceitful, which in turn came from trecheor, meaning cheat, deceiver, liar, impostor, or trickster. Its meaning is the same today. If you are treacherous, you are a traitor or deceiver. In Aladdin, Jafar deceives Aladdin and tricks him into entering the cave to bring him the magic lamp. He betrays Aladdin by taking the lamp from him and leaving him trapped in the cave, seemingly forever. But of course, in the end, Aladdin escapes. Jafar's behavior here can be described as treacherous as he betrays Aladdin by deceiving him. He appears to offer Aladdin his hand to help him out of the cave, but instead he grabs the lamp and leaves him trapped. How very treacherous. Treacherous is an adjective, and therefore a describing word. For example, you could say, Jafar was a treacherous and evil man. Treacherous is defined in the dictionary as a person guilty of deceiving someone who trusts them, or extremely dangerous, especially because of bad weather conditions. Treacherous's synonyms include traitorous, disloyal, deceitful, false, untrue, backstabbing, untrustworthy, hazardous, and perilous. Antonyms include loyal, faithful, certain, definite, easy, honest, and reliable. See if you can notice someone being treacherous today. I doubt anyone you know will be particularly treacherous today, but see if you can notice a movie or book character deceiving or betraying someone. Impress your parents by telling them they are being treacherous. Have a top day ahead, and we'll be back tomorrow at the same time for another Exam Coach 11 Plus Exam Daily Vocab Show.